Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Introduction to Industry 4.0 and Industrial Internet of Things, Week 0, Assignment 0. So the first question is, which of the following is an example of an unguided transmission medium? So these are the option and the answer of our first question is B, microwave. And now let's go to our question number 2. Which OSI layer is responsible for logical addressing? So these are the option and the answer of our second question is C, network layer. And now let's go to our question number 3. What is the default port number for HTTPS? So these are the option and the answer of our third question is D, 443. And now let's go to our question number 4. Which of the following IP addresses belongs to class B? So these are the IP addresses and the answer of our fourth question is A. And now let's go to our question number 5. Which protocol maps a domain name to its corresponding IP address? So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is B, DNS. And now let's go to our question number 6. Which protocol is used for sending email from a client to a mail server? So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is C, SMTP. And now let's go to our question number 7. Ethernet operates primarily at which two OSI layers? So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is B, data link and physical. And now let's go to our question number 8. Which device separates collision domains in a network? So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is B, switch. And now let's go to our question number 9. Which metric refers to the variation in packet delay? So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is C, jitter. And now let's go to our question number 10. Which method is used for error detection in data frames? So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is B, CRC. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.